As the Reggae Boyz rebuilding process continues, everybody is looking at the team and the players and the coach and even the JFF administrators. But I want to look again at one of those major differences between Jamaica and the teams in the region that will be boarding the plane to Qatar. Just in this window alone, take a look at the stadium in the game between Jamaica and Canada in Canada. Look at the atmosphere. Look at the number of fans and flags in the stands and the energy being fed to the players on the Canadian national team. That is one. In the same window, look now at the game between the USA and Panama in the USA. Look again at the fans in the stands. Look at the energy. Look at the support the Americans are giving to their national team. Now, for all the Jamaican stakeholders, from the JFF to the government to the Reggae Boyz fan base itself, all who feel supporting your national team in something as competitive and as intense as a World Cup qualifying campaign, all who feel lip service and chattings and living room and TV support can compete with these teams with proper and real fan support. You all need to understand what supporting your national team means at this level. I want to just go and look and keep looking. Go and look. Go and look, yeah, look and look, look.